In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the customer portal in Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is a fantastic tool for streamlining your customer support operations, and enabling the customer portal can significantly enhance your customer interaction by providing them with a platform where they can view tickets, access resources, and manage their interactions with your support team. So let's dive straight into the steps. First, we'll navigate to the Setup section, which is where all the customization magic happens. You'll want to look for the Setup icon, which resembles a small gear, located at the top right corner of your Zoho Desk interface. This is your go-to spot whenever you need to make changes or updates to your desk settings. Once you're in the Setup section, our next step is to access the Help Center settings. You'll find this under the Channel section. Just scroll a bit until you see the Help Center option. This is where you can manage how your customers interact with your support portal and alter the settings according to your business needs. Now that we're in the Help Center settings, it's time to configure access settings for your customer portal. Depending on how you've structured your Help Center, you'll need to choose which one you'd like to configure. Simply select the Help Center from the list that appears. If you have multiple Help Centers, make sure you've picked the right one, as each may have different requirements and a specific audience. Once you've selected the appropriate Help Center, navigate to the sub-menu that appears underneath and click on Access Settings. This area will allow you to fine-tune who can access your portal and how they do it. The next step is all about enabling customer sign-up. Within the Access Settings, look for the Permissions section. Here, you'll see the option to let customers sign up for the Help Center. By enabling this, you're allowing customers to create their own accounts. This is crucial because it gives them the ability to log in, track their ticket status, and even utilize self-service resources you have provided in the portal. Now your customer portal is set up to allow user accounts, fostering a more engaged and proactive customer base. Providing this level of interactivity not only empowers your customers by giving them more control over their support experience, but also offloads simple support queries that they can quickly solve themselves. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've enabled the customer portal on Zoho Desk. It's a small change that can make a significant difference in your customer support efficiency. As always, if you run into any issues, Zoho's support documentation is just a click away, ready to guide you through more complex customizations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on getting the most out of your Zoho Desk.